So we have the quiz for the Python basics. Um, and again, I do want to say if you are enjoying this, please consider subbing. But which of the following is defined variables and is a string? It's going to be cool variable 3. That is a string. A string is again text. So this would be a double. This would be an integer. This would be a string. And then this would be the multiplication there. And then what character begins a comment in Python? It's going to be the hashtag. And then what is the value of the modulo variable in the following expression? Remember, modulo basically says, okay, how many times can I put this number into this number and get whatever is the remainder? So we can put it in 3 times, so 12, and then we are left with just 2. And then what number is saved to the exponented variable in the following expression? So that's 2 to the 4, which is 16. What function outputs text? Print. And what is the value of the total cost that is printed? Total cost 5, and then we add 10, so we get 15. What is the output of the following code? We'll do cool number equals 12 plus 30 times 5, which we get this 42. Oh, I see, because it's not getting saved to anything. Okay, so this is 42 because 12 times 30 is 42. And then you have the times 5, but this just does it. It really doesn't update the cool number variable. If you had cool number equals cool number times 5, that's when it would be 200. Yeah, multiplying the variable does not actually change the variable. Makes sense. What is the difference between a float and an int? A float represents decimal quantities. Int represents whole numbers. Yes. Good. This one. And then what is the Python syntax for creating a variable and assigning the number 10 to it? Def variable, nope. New variable, nope. This one. And then how do you combine 2 strings? Well, you can just use the plus, like so. You don't have to do all this or that. Which of the following will produce a syntax error? Answer, this is an error, this is an error, this is an error. I think this one, because you have a double here and a single here. And then what happens when running the following code? Message, what a cool message. Python throws a syntax error because the string is not surrounded by quotes. Yes. You need to surround this in quotes. And then last one, we have how does one define a multi-line string in Python? Like this, like this, like this. Remember, it's the triple quotes. And we got a 92% in the Hello World quiz. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.